Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Google Voice mobile app works. Google Voice is a communication app that gives users a free phone number to make calls, send texts, and manage voicemail through their mobile device or web browser, making it especially useful for freelancers, remote workers, and small businesses. The app allows users to select a dedicated Google Voice number and link it to their existing phone. Once set up, users can make domestic and international calls, send texts, and access voicemail with automated transcription. The app includes features like call forwarding, spam filtering, personalized voicemail greetings, and syncing across multiple devices. It also keeps a history of all calls, texts, and voicemails in one place for easy access. The pros of Google Voice include its affordability, especially for domestic use within the US, its clean interface, and the convenience of managing communications from one app. It also works well across Android and iOS. However, there are some cons. The app lacks support for emergency calling. International text messaging is limited, and users have occasionally reported delays in receiving texts or syncing issues. According to real user feedback, many appreciate Google Voice for its reliability and usefulness when managing a second number for work or personal privacy. Reviews highlight the app's convenience for traveling or working remotely. On the downside, a few users mentioned that porting a number into Google Voice can be confusing, and call quality may vary depending on the internet connection. Overall, Google Voice is a versatile and easy-to-use app for anyone needing a second number or centralized communication hub. Its features make it especially appealing for those balancing personal and professional communication without needing multiple phones. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.